Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for December. This month's theme is Unwrap Joy. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam bag design features a big red satin bow. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Nena Body 24-Hour Moisture Body Lotion, Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair, Nip and Fab Vitamin C Fix Eye Cream, LYS Beauty Confident Precision Makeup Sponge, and the Pixie Lipglow Tinted Lip Balm. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Amika Soulfood Nourishing Mask, Dermalactives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer, Volition Snow Mushroom Water Primer, Natasha Denona Rose and Wood Palette, and the Well People Expressionist Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, I'm starting on skincare and testing out the Nip and Fab Vitamin C Fix Eye Cream. This contains a very high concentration of vitamin C. It also has caffeine, which helps to smooth and brighten. Next, I'm using the Dermalactives Triple Power Collagen Moisturizer. This is the most expensive product of the month at $145. With breakthrough technology, this active treatment stimulates collagen production. Now let's try the Volition Snow Mushroom Water Primer. This is supposed to naturally minimize the appearance of pores. It's much more hydrating than any other pore primer I've ever tried. After that, I'm using the LYS Beauty Confident Precision Makeup Sponge. This is a triangular shaped sponge. First, I'm using the rounded edge to blend out my cream products. Now I'm using it to blend out my concealer, and the pointed tip works great in this area. Now let's take a look at the Natasha Denona Rose and Wood palette. This 5-pan palette retails for $48. Let's swatch it. It features 1 matte and 4 shimmer shades. First, I'm dipping into the shimmery brown shade. I'm applying this to my lid and just blending out the edges. Next, I'm picking up the matte brown shade. I'm sweeping this into the outer corner of the eye. I'm also adding this to my bottom lash line. Finally, I'm using the shimmery champagne shade and using this to highlight my inner corner. Now let's try the Well People Expressionist Mascara. This is a vegan formula with plant-powered ingredients. This is available in 2 shades, black and brown, and I actually received the brown shade. I think brown mascara is going to make a comeback in 2025. Finally, I'm applying the Pixie Lipglow Tinted Lip Balm. This is in the shade Ruby. It instantly moisturizes the lips while giving a beautiful hint of color. Here's the finished look using products from both the December Ipsy Glam bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.